10 a.m. Saturday, 10 a.m. Sunday, 6 p.m. Wednesday, aka another day in paradise. I know my hair looking wild. I'm gonna get a line up or something one of these days, trim this beard. But you know how it go. For now, we gonna do what we do. All right. Anyways, let's get to the first part of the videos. See what that do. Morning beat after beat. I know to go check out that big homie. He moving through his numbers right now, so hit his Cash App up. So y'all can hook him up with some support. In case y'all don't want to watch the content, y'all can at least support it financially, right? You know how that goes.
Mr. Nice Guy was blowing up, man. We got customers from all over New York.
No, not that.
We even stole a few from Samson.
Oh, what's up, nigga? Come on in, man. Come on, wait, man. Thanks, baby. You know, he don't know he's scared.
Yeah. Jesus.
What can I get you today, Smokey? Lovely. Let me get a pound of your sweetest chiba.
Damn. Yeah, some told me to bring a lot of weed, man. Oh, shit. Pound of my sweetest chiba. Don't get no better than that.
Smells you the bag, baby.
That's gonna be $9,600, bro.
See what I got here. Come on, man. Hang out for a minute, smoke with me. I got weed, got my bong out. Come on, son.
For you, man, I'll stay for a minute, but then I gotta be going.
And
Man, Smoke Lot opened up to me like I was Barbara Walters. It was ridiculous. He told me about his lawyer,
he had sex with my mama. Why?
spirituality,
God, if you listen, hell,
his bad back,
Doctor said I need a backiotomy.
his love life.
I'm in for this, man. Get away from me, bitch.
I mean, talk about a guy with problems. Tough break.
I can't take it too far.
No wonder he smoked a pound a week.
Somebody want
So now we had a famous clientele, and
Rena's gonna miss you.
guess what else?
Call me next week.
About weed. About weed.
Pick a strain, whatever you want, you can get. Indica sativa, never rolling plain Jane. I know some people, if you want, drive 50, we ain't gon' cop any. Little mama got plenty, so many strain, puffing the flame, nothing but dro. One for the brain, one for the body, one for the soul. Running with strange, keeping the party under control. Up, away, flying, how far are we gonna go? Smoke team in the building, got 'em is what the deal is. Recognize, coming with Burns, Felix with Filming County Boy, got the liquor. Casa was on the fader, Stevie came with the greenery, mixing multiple flavors, whatever you want, homie. Tell me when to say when. How about you and your friends? Come get with me and my friends and keep it real with me, girl. I don't want to pretend like this is a new thing. Really, that's what it's been like.
Anyways, so today's video topic is gonna be nice because you know we got hustlers who gotta hustle without the hustle. You see what I'm saying? Shout out to y'all because some of y'all ain't built for it. Shout out to me because I was. Hell, since the age 13, you know your boy's been out here doing this THING like that dude Scully. Shout out to Scully. Y'all know it's Sunday, so of course we're gonna be over there tonight at the big homie house, kicking it. What do you got? Emerald Wonderland Park. 1,499? Probably. Who is that? SOS? Deaf Pilot? Shouts out to SOS. He got a lot of hustle in him too. Shit. I got a lot of things growing on right now. You know, shouts out to the things growing on. Because that's what we're here to talk about today. Yeah. I'm rolling up too at the same point in time. You know the hustle don't stop. Shout out to the hustle though. Because, you know, for those people that don't like hustling, it's a reason you don't like hustling. Because, like the thumbnail says, it ain't in some of y'all. Some of y'all just here to be here. Other people here to get shit, do whatever the fuck you want, and make shit happen. Shout out to the big homie Triple B. I was just getting ready to start talking about you, so I'm glad you're here. Hey, that's a classic line.